and all you need to do is bend over to pick up a pencil. It doesn't even have to be heavy. In your back, either it doesn't react quickly enough, the fascia can't stabilize the muscles, then you either get a torn muscle or you get a muscle spasm. So pain comes from a lot of things, but there's three different types primarily. There's muscular back pain, there's structural back pain, and then there's nerve back pain. So muscular back pain is oftentimes caused by issues in our connective tissue. The supportive quality of connective tissue is adaptable, and so when you sit for long periods of time or the repetitive habits and postures that you have cause too much stress on this tissue, it tends to alter muscular balance. So some muscles get locked short, some get locked long, and then you get up to move and all you need to do is bend over to pick up a pencil. It doesn't even have to be heavy. In your back, either it doesn't react quickly enough, the fascia can't stabilize the muscles, then you either get a torn muscle or you get a muscle spasm. The second one is structural pain, and this can be caused from any type of bone imbalance. Anything from scoliosis, osteoporosis, osteoarthritis can cause bone deformation, and that can really cause a lot of pain. It's a painful thing having things like osteoporosis. And then the third one is nerve pain, and nerve pain is actually usually a byproduct of not catching some of these other issues that you had when you had muscle or structural imbalances. Nerves can become compressed in the discs along the spine, and if those nerve roots get compressed, not only can you get low back pain, you can also feel sciatica, heel pain, and even destabilize your pelvis and cause things like pelvic incontinence. So if you do have nerve pain, that's really a time to go seek out a doctor, because if you don't do things quick enough, it can cause permanent nerve damage, and then the only things doctors will recommend is surgery or medical management.